Hold on, it won't be long. Zion, hold on, it won't be long. Zion, hold on, it won't be long. Cut through the fire, through the storm, we going home.
Hey everybody, so as I am pretty much a sitting duck for the past week and a half now, I am exhausted, I am heartbroken, distraught, because it's just the anticipation of this first step getting completed, and then, just continuing the process. Gonna take a few days, just God willing, and I never know what the Holy Spirit is going to either revive or calm down in me. I just don't have much to say right now. Yeah, I just need to take advantage of the time that I currently will be having off, just to be alone, not think as much, and I need to just be in the scriptures and be calm and comforted by that. So I just had this idea in my head, because usually I put it in my vlogs and all of that, but given that I can't muster up the energy right now to do a whole talking video, I hope that these statements can help you. That's about to pop up on the screen. So this is going to be a short one, but I believe that these statements are ones that are going to help me during this time, and I hope it helps somebody else.
Messianic.
Take care.